Hi guys, this is Pratap here, and now we are going to discuss something very important topic, and which is your Windows subsystem. What is that? Windows subsystem for Linux. So you'll be surprised to know what is there in Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, good. So now that basically the problem we are facing or that solution we are looking for. Suppose this is your Windows, right? Now inside this Windows you want to install a Linux, okay, without any VMware, without anything, okay. So you want to configure this one as a Linux server, and you want to provide that DHCP. You want to configure this one as a DNS. You can do any single thing in this, and that is possible with Windows. So how you will be doing? Let's say this is your Windows operating system, right? So this is your Windows 10. So we are going to manage uh, subsystem inside this, or we are creating Linux inside this. That Linux, it could be Debian, it could be Debian Linux, it could be Ubuntu, it could be CentOS, and it could be Fedora. Any of that operating system you can put inside the Windows 10. That I'm going to show you how you will be doing. Fine. So the first step, that you are going to do, okay, the first step you are going to do, you will be going Windows and click on settings. Okay, so you click on settings. After going to the settings, you will be updating that your Windows. So you'll be checking whether it is updated or not. So if you see that it is updated, and then you will be going for developers. Can you see here developer? And we will be enabling the developer mode. So developer mode, what will be showing you? Any Shine Trust app advanced deployment features. So anything advanced, you know uh, features that you are going to configure, you are going to manage, so that you can do it here. Then you will be going and install Python library. So you will be going here. Let's say you go here Python. So you can download that Python release. So you can download Python and you'll go download, and then you will be uh, Python 3.8.2. You can download it. So once you have downloaded, and then you do install. Once installation is done, then what you will do? You will go to run, and you type here appwiz.cpl. Once you go there, and then you just click on this, and can you check it here, Windows subsystems for Linux? You'll check this one. Once you'll check this, and it you'll click OK, and it will be a reboot, ask for restart your system. Once you restart that machine, then you go to uh, Windows App Store, Microsoft Windows App Store. Now you search here, let's say Fedora. Okay, Fedora OS or Fedora Linux. You just try there. Once you'll be click on that Fedora, so the Fedora is going to come up here. If you try here Ubuntu, Can you see that Ubuntu app? Like that, you will be searching here Fedora app. Can you see here? Once you'll be going that Fedora, you have to search that Fedora. Maybe it's not available here. If you try Ubuntu, it will be there. Yes, Ubuntu, these are the versions are available. You can pick it which one you want. So after install, I mean once it will be done with installation, let's say this. So what you will be doing? So you will, it will be coming installation, install option here. I already did the installation, then it will showing launch. So you'll click on that. So now see, you're you are inside the root now. Make sense? Now see, you'll be able to do anything. Let's say I'm able to ping internet also. 8.8.8.8. You see, I'm able to ping internet. Now, so I want to stop it, I can stop it. Now I want to create a user. Let's say user add PRATAP. Now PASSWD PRATAP. So I can set that password ADMIN at 123 ADMIN at 123. So I can log in from here, Pratap. Let's say SU then PRATAP SU PRATAP. So now you see, if I do the PWD, so I'm into the Pratap. So you want to log out, you can log out from here. Now if you want to see how many users are available there, if you want to see how many users are available here, so BI etc PASSWD. Now you can go to the last line and you can see Pratap is the user there. Can you see that? So this is completely amazing that sitting at Windows machine you can run any operating system Linux. So suppose if I want to install some Python package, or I want to install some advanced features, let's say apt apt get git apt get install git main github package I want to install. So I can, you can see that git already newest version. Now if I install Python 3, so the Python is version 3.8 already installed there. Now if you want to install the Mozilla, so I can install Mozilla also, but it's a CLI, you won't be able to do it. If you see that if config, so you can check that apt get installed net tool is not installed there, so we have to do it apt get install net tools. So see, it's connected with the internet, and that all the packages getting installed there. Like that you can install MySQL, you can install PHP if you are a developer, you can Node.js, whatever you want to install you can do it. But for that no need to any license, no need anything. So everything you can do from here. I will show you a few more things, like if you see here. Okay, so it's asking that devnet tool to install. Okay, apt get apt install devnet TWLS. Okay, so let me run that apt-get update. apt apt-get update. So almost everything should come up now. Now you can see this is the latest package, and it is connected with the internet, and every single thing is popping up there. All right. So all the packages are getting installed. But guys, once you'll be running this one, so you'll give a little bit more storage. Whatever RAM and processor you are giving, that is fine. So if you see, I don't have much space. I'm running out the space, you see. But I have given the 30 gig. Still, I don't have enough space, though I have installed plenty of packages and everything. So you can see that it's been updated. Okay, reading the package is done. Now you want to keep one more command, apt-get upgrade. So you know the latest very new package, whatever will be there. So everything you can see that Python library, all those library, all that latest distribution. So everything will be updating there. Okay, you can see triggers. So it's been updated. Now let me see if config works or not. Yes, now you see. So what is the IP address? 192.168.43 dot this, right? So this is the way you can troubleshoot. See, you have got that Ubuntu machine here. So it's so easy to find it out and make it use. So the process is very simple. You have seen it. You just go through the video, and then you will be able to do it. It's not at all a high task that will confuse you. It's very simple. Let me explain again. So let me write on that notepad so that how you can deploy. So first install Python, then enable, then go to setting, I mean Windows setting, and deploy the enable, go to the Windows setting and enable the development mode. So it's here. Once you'll be going here, go to the settings, and then you can go to that developers, select developer mode. So from here, developer mode you will be selecting. Then you will be going to appwiz.cpl. So this one, appwiz.cpl. Once you'll be going here, and then turn off Windows features. So turn on Windows features. Alright, so you can go here. Now once we'll be turn on Windows features, you have once you are there, and then you will be then you will be click on yes this. So one window will be opening, and from here can you see that Windows subsystem for Linux. Then you are going to select Windows subsystem for Linux. So once you'll be selecting that, and you need to reboot the machine. Once you have reboot the machine, then you will be going to that command prompt and you know, this command prompt you will be opening as an administrator. Open command prompt as an admin, and then give that command lx run /install. Once you'll give this command, it will be asking yes, so you'll give yes, and then all the package will install. Once you have done with this, then you will be going to Windows, this app, and then you will search here, let's say SUSE Linux. Can you see that? SUSE Linux app enterprise server. Can you see that? Now you can click on get. Now I don't want to sign on, guys, so you see installed. Once you'll be click on install, so the SUSE server is going to be installed here. Can you see that? It's a service pack 1. SUSE Enterprise Linux is getting installed there. Fine, it's not big, just 295 MB. So once this installation is done, and then you can go here, and it will be showing up here in that recently added program, or you can search, let's say Ubuntu I'm already using, you can check here Ubuntu, and you can click here, that Ubuntu is going to open. You see Ubuntu is here for you. Now you can check like processor details, how much processor, RAM, and everything is getting used. So you'll give that command here, uh, be cat, then proc, then CPU info. See this much processor is taking. Now you have to check that memory, then you'll give that command memory info. So you have to check the free space df, then h, so it's going to show you the free space. Now you have to power off, give that command power off. So you can give the reboot, fail to talk to the initialized daemon. Okay, so like this command if you give, so it can be reboot, it could be power off, it could be anything. Alright, just because I have opened the two of the window, so that's what. Okay, so I hope you can see the notepad again, and this is the way you will be executing Windows subsystems. Okay, this is the VS code for running Python and multiple programming language, etc. So this is that your Ubuntu. Now let me check that power off, sudo power off. Okay, now you can check here init 0. Init. So this is the command that you will be executing. Maybe that processor using 100%, so that sort command is not taking, because you see in my machine already one see it's it's a overutilization, maybe due to that, but that is the way you will be on or off. So there is no need to take any tension. So you see this SUSE Linux is almost done. Okay, Now in case you have done with the practice and everything, you want to uninstall, just right click and you can click uninstall. Okay, so this is the SUSE, it's getting installed. So one is in, the installation is finished, so I can show you up that how to perform on this. So as of now you guys can use that Ubuntu this way in your machine. Let's say you can create that, like if you give ls, so there is no file and folder, so you can create mkdir, mkdir, and now let's say you are putting Cisco. So now if you give a ls, you can see the Cisco is there. Now you can create touch, and then you can give that command, let's say Juniper. So you can see ls, so one Cisco and one Juniper. So once you have done with that Cisco and Juniper, let's say you want to copy Juniper, that is the file, isn't it? So you can give that cp, uh, and then you can put Juniper, and then you can click Cisco. So you can give ls. Now you can go to cd and Cisco, and ls, you see inside that Juniper also there. Like that you can practice n number of things, and you can do real time things. If you want to install DNS DHCP, you want to make this one as a server, you do, you are good to go with that. Okay, so just all the package you need to be installed, so then it will be working. All right, fine guys, thank you. Now you can see this side, your SUSE is installed. We'll be going here. See, installing this may take some time. That's fine. So after some time it will be installed. Okay, so this is the way you can create the subsystem. Even you can run Kali and all those other Linux also like that way. Okay, now if you like to go and check, this is the third party tool, that is bash. You can see git bash. Okay, you will go here. Now you can see all this is also one cell is already running in Linux. Can you see that? So if you give here ls, you can see that Windows, all that things is showing up here. Now BI etc passwd, it required admin privilege to run. Okay, so that is also one thing, git bash. So it's quite good. You can run almost all the packages through that, because GitHub, it's a free, so you can explore a lot from there. Alright guys, so I'm closing up here. So you can see here your SUSE also it's ready to work. So if you want to give that username, let's say I'm giving my username here, new password. So now you can see we are here. So admin add 123. Now you see we are in that admin now. You can give here apt get update, cnf apt install update apt get update. Okay, so let me see other commands working or not. If config. Okay, so these are the package is not available, so we have to install all the package like Ubuntu. You have seen it one by one, so that is the way you have to do it here. So guys, you can practice it if there is anything, so you can write to me in over here in comment, and also you can send me email to the dot and to @networkred .net. I will reply you, but maybe not immediately, but definitely. Thank you guys.